Welcome to Jairam Higher Secondary School, Standard 6, Subject English. About the author. Shekhar Dattatreya writes popular articles on wildlife conservation and he is a filmmaker. He has been interested in nature from childhood. He is an award-winning wildlife and conservation filmmaker. Shekhar's lifelong fascination with wildlife began at the age of 13 when he joined the famous Madras Snake Park as a student in 1976. Today we are going to see a topic, unit number 1, Sea Turtle. Section 1, Glossary. Marine means found in the sea. Species means group of animal with common features. Coastal, land by the edge of a sea. Reptile, a vertebrate animal. Entirely means completely. Most of us we have seen a sea turtle or a tortoise in a zoo or a reptile park. However, not many would have seen its marine relative, the sea turtle. Most of us we have seen the tortoise or a sea turtle in a zoo or either in the reptile park. However, we don't know that it may be a marine relative or it may be a sea turtle. There are 7 species of marine or sea turtle in the world. Of them, 5 are found in our Indian coastal water. In our lesson also they have given the 5, especially the olive ridley and then the hawksbill, and this is another one is green sea turtle, another loggerhead, another is leatherback. These are the 5 types that were found in the Indian coastal waters. So you just look the picture very carefully. This is loggerhead and this is olive ridley and this one is leatherback and this is hawksbill and this is the green sea turtle. I hope children you have understood the picture they have given clearly. So you just go through once again. This is Arbeda. In most part of the world, olive ridley, especially the olive ridley, come ashore alone to lay their eggs. Olive ridley alone come ashore to lay their eggs. However, Odisha is one of the 3 places in the world where a phenomenon known as massed nesting or arbida takes place. Especially during the night time, during the nesting season, 1,000 of female turtles come ashore simultaneously to lay their eggs on a particular beaches. You can look at the picture here. This is what olive ridley. It comes during the night time. 1,000, not only a single turtle, 1,000 of female turtle come ashore to lay their eggs on a particular beaches alone. Up to now we have seen in the section number 1 where the olive ridley live as well as what are the types of sea turtles in our Indian coastal areas. Now we can go to the section number 2. Before we are entering into the section number 2, we just go through the glossary. Flippers means broad, flat limbs used for swimming. It helps the sea turtle to swimming in the sea or in the ocean. Predators. What is my predators? Animal that kill other animal for food. Haul means pull with force. Haul means what? Pull with force. Slash. Slash means what? A cut. Laboriously. With great effort. Laboriously means what? With great effort. Snot. Pointed nose of an animal. Cavity. A hollow space. Emerge. Emerge means what? Come out. For example, if you are having a seed in your hand, what you will do? Definitely you used to put this seed in the soil. Definitely after few days you can able to see a small saplings come out from the seed. That is called as what? Emerge. Camouflage means hide or disguise something. Incubate. hatch eggs using warmth. Warmth means under the sun. So this is the olive Ridley he is having in his hand. See the picture very carefully. See the size, see the shape, and then see the eyes how it is. Next, compared to most tortoise, sea turtles are considered as a huge in the world. Comparing to the tortoise, the sea turtles are considered as a huge animal in the sea. Even the smallest species, the olive Ridley, considering all other sea turtles, the olive Ridley is the smallest species. Its weight is up to only 35 kg when it fully grown. After it get grown also, olive Ridley size only what? 35 kg. The largest of them are considered as the leatherback. The smallest species is olive Ridley, its weight is 35 kg, and the leatherback it grows up to the length 2.2 meter, and each could it weighs as much as 700 kg. Olive Ridley kg is 35, and then the largest one is leatherback. It is considering the weight as 700 kg. Sea turtles live their entire life in the ocean. Even though it is living their life in the ocean, it is still having a connection with the land. For what purpose? To come ashore to lay their eggs. Already I told you that olive Ridley, the female, especially the female olive Ridley, come ashore to lay eggs. Simultaneously, there are 1,000, not a single one, 1,000 of sea turtles come ashore to lay their eggs. So only we are telling sea turtle are having the connection with the land. Even though it is living in the ocean, it is still having a connection with the land. I hope you have understood why sea turtle are having the connection with the land. The olive Ridley, however, are still commonly seen nesting on a sandy beaches. Underline these words, sandy beaches, all along our coast. Between the month of January and March, especially the female olive Ridley come ashore at night to lay their eggs. Between which month? Not other months. Between only the month of January and the March, the female olive Ridley come ashore for laying their eggs only during the night time. It is quite a problem for them as a turtle front flippers. Flippers means what? It is a limbs. Helps to swim in the ocean. Enables is to swim gracefully and effortlessly, but are not very useful for moving on the land. The turtle has is to haul. Haul means what I told, pulled with force, isn't it? Laboriously means effort. The turtle has to haul a great effort. It want to do a great effort onto the beach. It want to reach the beach or a ocean. It want to take a lot of effort to reach the beach. Then what it will do after it reached the beach, it will choose a place called as what? High tide line. What is by high tide line? Means it is away from the soil erosion. High tide line is nothing but it is away from the soil erosion. Suppose soil erosion is there, definitely it will spoil the eggs of the sea turtle. So it will choose a good spot, nice spot to lay their eggs. So only it is always away from the high tide line. That's why they have given here. The turtle has to haul itself. They want to have a lot of effort to reach the beach. After it reached the beach, what it will do? It will choose a good spot, and then it should be well away from the high tide line. Here it scopes out a nest cavity. It used to dig it a nest cavity up to 45 centimeter depth, into which it lays about how many eggs? 100 eggs it will use to lay in the nest cavity. Each egg is in the shape and size of the table tennis. The size and shape of the sea turtle egg is compared to the table tennis ball size. Once all the eggs are laid, once it is completing its works, the turtles fill in the cavity, then it camouflages the nest done, it's returned to the sea. Once again we will go through. First, during the month of January and March, the olive ridley come ashore during the night time to lay their eggs, and then it is facing a lot of problems also, and then after it of the great effort it just build a nest cavity, and then it lays 1,000 as well as the 100 of eggs in a minute, and then the size is compared to the table tennis. Afterwards, after finishing all the works, it again moves to the sea. The eggs are left to incubate under the, after what it will do, the eggs, after it lay the eggs, what it will do, the eggs are left to incubate under the warmth of the sun. Next, in many places around the world, local people, especially who are they? The local people follow the tracks. What is meant by tracks? The footprints of the turtles to its nest. In many places around the world, especially the local people follow the tracks of the turtle. For what purpose? Means to eat the eggs. What they used to, they collect the eggs for eating purpose. For what purpose they are taking the, especially the local peoples are taking the eggs for eating. The human beings also creating a lot of problem to the sea turtle. And then jackals, domestic dog and pigs, they also to dig up. What they will do? Jackals, domestic dogs and pig, they also dig up the eggs, and then they all ate the eggs. How they are finding where the egg is? How it is? The scent left by the turtle, they used to follow the track, and then they reach the egg place, and then they are collecting. The local people, jackals, domestic dogs and pigs, they used to collect the eggs and then they eat. Then the life of sea turtles get destroyed by the people and then other animals. Those eggs, the remaining eggs that escape such people, such kind of cruel people and the predators, hatch 45 to 60 days later. Suppose any eggs are left behind, definitely from that, how many days after? Means 45 days to 60 days later, when most of the eggs have hatched, the hatchling pull themselves upward through the sand and emerge means what I told you, come out on the surface of the beach. From there, they make a hurried dash to the sea, because of the, if suppose they are come under the prey of the birds, they are having a lot of fear. Suppose the people come and then if they take the small sea turtle, what will happen? Imagine. So the people are destroying the sea turtle's life. Not only the people, many animals, especially the jackal, domestic dog and the pigs, they used to collect the eggs and then they used to eat. So what the sea turtles are cleverly doing, they are just hurrying dash to the sea again. Now we are moving to the section 3. In section 1, what we have seen, what are the types of sea turtles are there. In section 2, what we have seen, how they come to the land to lay their eggs, and then what are the problems they are faced by the people as well as by the jackal and then domestic dogs as well as the pigs too. Yes. Now we will go through the glossary before we enter into the section number 3. What is meant by survive? Survive means continue to live. Okay. And then mysterious. What is my mysterious? Something, it's a fact that are difficult to understand. A facts that are difficult to understand. That is called as what? Mysterious. Fascinating, attracting greatly. Fascinating means what? Attracting greatly. Decade. What is my decade? A period of 10 years. Once again, I'll tell the glossary. Survive, continue to live. mysterious, facts that are difficult to understand, fascinating, attracting greatly. Decade, what is my decade? A period of 10 years. Many of these tiny hatchling, its weight is only 20 grams. How much its weight? 20 grams each, will not even reach the sea, because many birds, people as well as the animals, what they used to do, they used to catch the even the small tiny hatchling before they enter into the sea. This is a very pathetic condition of the sea turtle. When it is as a egg also, the people are collecting. After it gets some growth also, even it is when it is in a 20 gram, the people are just spoiling the entire life of sea turtle. Sometimes they will fall prey to crabs or maybe a birds. A bird is flying in the sky, isn't it? Suppose it sees a sea turtle, what it will use to do? It used to take as a food. Prey means what? A food to the birds before they reach the water. This is a very sad condition for who? Sea turtles. Most of those that do make into the water will also be eaten by many predators, not only from the birds, from the people, from the some kind of animals. It will be eaten by many predators in the sea within the first few days of their life. Inside the sea, many predators will be there, isn't it? Before enter into the sea, the people, other animals used to destroy the life of sea turtle. After it enter into the sea also, the pathetic condition is what? It can able to survive only a few days, but within the few days, if suppose any sea predators are there, definitely it was eaten by the predators. Even within only how many days? Within a few days. Some of them get escaped. It is a God grace. It can able to live in the sea for a long years. In fact, even scientists estimate that only 1 in every 1,000 hatchlings become an adult. Scientists are giving a research that only 1 in every 1,000 hatchlings becomes an adult. It is a very sad news, isn't it? You see how many thousand of eggs it is having, but only a few only can become a adult. It is perhaps to ensure that enough hatchlings survive to keep the species going, that sea turtle lay so many eggs. So we people, what we have to do? We have to give some space for the sea animals also to live in the ocean. After many years of swimming in the open ocean, the female hatchling, they had become adult, returned to the same beach where they were born. After many years of swimming in the open ocean, the female hatchling, what they used to do? They became the adult, and then they are returning to the same beach where they were born. They come there to lay their own eggs. After it become adult, after it get escape from the people and then some predators, they become as an adult, and then they also move to the land to lay their own eggs. How they manage to find the place after so many years in the sea is one of the many mysteries of the fascinating reptiles, isn't it? Yes, definitely we have to tell. After many problems faced by the sea turtle, it become an adult, and then it is a great fascinating and then mysterious even. They come there to lay their own eggs. Sea turtle are among the many wonderful creatures we share in this planet, isn't it? It is a many wonderful creature. Among all the creatures, sea turtle are also considered as a wonderful creature in our planet. They have survived natural dangers for millions of years, but sadly, human activities during the last few decades have put them in a grave danger. Why? Because people are having a lot of plastic in their hand, and then they are throwing into the ocean, and then what it will happen? Definitely it's create a bad danger to the sea turtle as well as other animals inside the sea. You just see here, there are many factors that threaten their survival. People hunt them for eating the meat or collect their eggs. Sometimes they are accidentally trapped into the nest of the motorbikes. What are the problems faced by the sea turtle? You just look over the passage very carefully. The people what cause they are taking the sea turtle eggs for eating as a meat, and then the people are collecting their eggs too. Sometimes they are accidentally trapped into the nest of the motorboats. Sometimes accident also happened for the sea turtle, especially because of the motorboats. Problems like pollution as well as dumping of the plastic into the ocean and construction activity on nesting beaches also hurt their life, isn't it? It is a good, and then it is a correct message they have given into the passage. Problem like pollution, especially the pollution, and then especially dumping of the plastic. You just look over the picture here what I have given down. You just see there is a lot of plastic items, and then it create a pollution to the sea. And then how can the sea turtle as well as many animals can live into the sea? It is the biggest question mark, isn't it? The problem faced by the sea turtle is the most dangerous, not only for the sea turtle as well as for the kind of animals, sea turtles, and then some kind of animals also living in their life in the sea. So we people, what we have to do, we have to save our green environment without having the pollution, and then what, plastic, avoiding the plastic. Only by systematically tackling these problems and removing these threats can we ensure that sea turtle will continue to exist in the years to come. Yes, this is the original as well as the good news. What if we definitely avoid the pollution, avoid the plastic into the ocean and other activities, definitely the sea turtles can able to survive their life after the upcoming years. Global warming is already, isn't it? You know about very well about what global warming. It is already exciting as well as already in the society a drastic impacts on wildlife all around the world, but the effect of it will eventually have a huge effect on the wildlife under the waves, especially under the waves. What are the wild animals are living created because of the global warming? A lot of obstacles they are facing in their life. Rising sea level meant that are the fewer beaches for the turtle to nest on. Harder sands on the beaches have led to decrease in the hatchling rate. If we create a lot of problem to the sea turtle, definitely the sea level will get raised, and then they face a lot of difficulties. What are the difficulties? Means they have only a fewer beaches for turtles to nest on, and then especially the sand become very harder, and then it creates a decrease in the hatchling rate. If we keep on creating a problem to the sea turtle, what it will do? Definitely the hatchling level become very less in amount. Then we can't able to see the sea turtle in a live manner. Ocean have altered, leading them to areas outside their normal range. The threats to sea turtle are varied and worrying. Definitely we want to tell that this pathetic condition, it creates only worrying, because the people as well as the animals are destroying the sea turtle life. These hardly animal may have been around since the time of the dinosaurs, but if the things continue at the current rate, there would be a generation who wipe the turtles off to face the earth. Like dinosaurs, we have to look over the picture in the post or in a wall. Only we are going to face a lot of problems in the future life, isn't it? Suppose we want to show the sea turtle in a lively manner, what we have to do? We have to protect our green environment. Otherwise we have to see the dinosaurs only in the picture. Likewise the sea turtle also we are going to face in a picture format only. So we people, we are having the responsibility to take care of the sea animals. We can change things, but only if we start now. Only if you are a great children, isn't it? So you have to change your life. At least from today, you should not pollute the land as well as pollute the ocean or anywhere. We should not use the plastic item. We have to avoid the plastic item. If we use, we have to destroy in the proper manner, and we should not throw it into the sea, and we have to protect our environment. It is responsible for the younger children. Easy things you can do to save endangered species. These are the points I have given to you. You have to protect our environment and then endangered species. Is this clear, children? Learn about endangered species in your area. Visit a national wildlife refuge park or other open space. Okay, and then make your home wildlife friendly. You have to be very friendly to the wildlife. Native plants provide food and shelter for native wildlife. So we have to have a habit of sapling in our home at least. Herbicides and pesticides may keep your looking nice, but they are in the fact hazardous. Hazardous means dangerous pollutant that affect wildlife at many levels. So we have to use only what? A good manure for our green environment. We should not use any chemical item that definitely will kill the wildlife. Slow down when driving. While we are driving, we have to slow down, isn't it? Because it creates a lot of pollution. So we have to slow down when we are driving. Recycle and buy sustainable products. We have to buy a recycle, and then sustainable means helpful products, supportive products we have to buy. Never purchase products made from the threatened or endangered species. Harassing wildlife is cruel and illegal. We should not cruelly behave to the animals or any. It is illegal to the society. We are responsible to protect our wildlife habitat. I hope, children, you have understood about the unit number 1 pro sea turtle in a clear manner. You have to go through the glossary and then take a textbook, and then you see the book back exercise. Next, we are moving to the grammar part called homophones. What is my homophones? It is nothing but a word that sounds the same as another word but have a different meaning or a spelling. We have phonics, isn't it? You see here, phones means what? A phonetics. Phonetics means what? It is a sound. So it is simple. You have to keep it in your memory. Homophones means it is nothing. The pronunciation will be same, but you are having a different meaning or different spelling. You just look over the example here. Flower. What is meant by flower? You know very well, isn't it? Flower. And then you see the spelling as flour. We are using for cooking, isn't it? So flour, and then this is what? Flour. The spelling F-L-O-W-E-R, F-L-O-U-R. The spelling is different and the meaning also different. You see here, the spelling is different, the meaning also different, but you are having what pronunciation? The same pronunciation, same sound. This is called as what? Homophones. Is good. Next, dew. Dew. Dew means what? A dew drops, and then this is a amount related to the amount, isn't it? Deed, D-E-E-R, deed, dear, my dear, we are telling no while you are writing the letter, isn't it? So this is what? D-E-A-R spelling. And the next one is what? Fair. What is my fair? F-A-I-R, fair. And another one is what? F-A-R-E, fair. Next one is what? Bear, B-A-R-E, bear. We compare to the tree, isn't it? This is a kind of animal, bear. B-E-A-R, bear. We have to pronounce it bear. B-E-E, the bee. The bees are humming the flower, isn't it? Gives a humming sound. So that kind of bee. And this B-E is what? Be quiet. We are expressing to other person as what? Be quiet. This is what? Beach. What is my beach? We used to play in the beach. A water level will be there, isn't it? The water is there. That is called as what? Beach. And this is called as what? B-E-E-C-H, beach. Bean. What? Bean. I have been here, isn't it? B-E-E-N. Another one is what? B-E-A-N. Bean. Next one is what? Blue. B-L-U-E. So a girl is wearing a blue color dress. We can give an example like that also. Next one is what? B-L-E-W, blue. Next one, bread. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. Bread. B-R-E-E-D. So this is called as what? Homophones. It is nothing. It is the same pronunciation, but you are having a different meaning or a different spelling. You just look over the example here. Red. What is meant by this? Is in red color, isn't it? So R-E-D means what? Red. R-E-A-D. The girl is reading, isn't it? So the same pronunciation. Red, red, isn't it? Next one you see in a picture, ant. What is this? This is auntie. So we called as what? Ant. We have to pronounce U is silent, so you have to pronounce as what? Ant. A-N-T, ant. Another one is what? A-U-N-T. It is called as what? Ant. Next, O-N-E. This is what? One. And then W-O-N. It is called as what? One. Anybody won the match? This is called as what? One. Next one is what? C. S-E-E. What the picture is doing? It is watching. That when somebody is calling you, you just see me. So this is called as what? See. By using your eye only you are watching, isn't it? So that is called as what? See. S-E-E. Next one is what? This is what? Sea. Just now we have seen the prose, isn't it? Sea turtle. Where the turtle used to live? It used to live in the sea or in the ocean or in the land. So that kind of sea. The S-E-A. Next one is what? In. Something is having inside the basket. So I-N. This is called also in. I-double-N. This is called also what? In. In means nothing. It is a hotel. In. Next one is what? Hair. H-A-I-R. This is called as what? Hair. Haircut. Another one is a bunny. H-A-R-E. Hair. A small rabbit, isn't it? This is called, we called as what? H-A-R-E. Hair. Once again we will read. Red. Red. Ant. One. See. In. Hair. And this is what? Right. Direction, showing the direction, and then the picture is writing something. So R-I-G-H-T, right. W-R-I-T is writing. So the same pronunciation. Right. Next one you see. Nose. This is also called as what? Nose. I know the information. We used to tell, isn't it? I know the information. That is called as what? Nose. And here this is called as what? Nose. All we are having the nose, isn't it? It is a part of our body. Next one, this is a sun. He is a sun. And this is a sun. S-O-N. And this is what? S-U-N. Next one, C-L-O-S-E. Close. You are close to the market. You are close to the board. Next one is what? Cloths. This is called as what? Cloths. But you have to pronounce as cloths. This is what? Pair. P-A-I-R. Pair. Both. A single person means we used to tell a single person. Both a person joined, that is called as what? Pair. P-A-I-R. Pair. Next one is what? Pear. Yes, but you have to pronounce as pear. This is what? A kind of a fruit. And then finally 8. A-T-E. 8. And this is what? 8. Both pronunciation is same. 8. Pair. Close. Clothes. Sun. Nose. And this is what? Right. Hair. In. See. One. Ant. Red. Filling the blanks with words that convey the correct meaning of the sentence. This is your book back exercise. Tiny hatchling fall prey. This prey only will come. This is not. This prey too many predators. Sea turtle live their whole life in the sea. The turtle come ashore only during the night time. The predators follow the scent of the turtles to eat their eggs. The female turtles lay their eggs and go back to the sea. So SEAC. This is your book back exercise. So you have to go through very properly. Next we are going to see the grammar part, subject and predicate. So what is my subject? The part of a sentence that speaks about somebody or a something. It is called as what? Subject. The subject may be a person, or it may be a place, or it may be an animal, or it may be a thing. So the subject naming the person, place, animal or a thing we are talking about in the sentence. The predicate means what? The predicate means it contains the verb. The subject usually comes before the predicate in a sentence, but in some cases the order of the words may be changed. Just look over the example here. People from all nation. It is called as what? Subject. People from all nations go to see the Eiffel Tower. You can't able to imagine the sentence go to see the Eiffel Tower without getting the another sentence. Suppose go to see the Eiffel Tower, is this give a meaning to you? No, not definitely. But if you see people from all nations go to see the Eiffel Tower. So the red color what I have given, this is called as what? Subject, and then this is called as what? Predicate. Here go is what? A verb, isn't it? I already told you predicate contains what? A verb. So here what it is? Go is a verb. Go to see the Eiffel Tower, it is a predicate, and then this is a subject. The little green bunny ate is a what? Verb. So it is called as what? A predicate. Next sentence, Superman, it is a subject. A flew is a verb. So flew over the building, it is called as what? Predicate. The greasy burger and salty fries are delicious. So the greasy burger and then salty fries are subject. These are called as what? Predicate. The children is a subject here, are enjoying. Where they are enjoying? In the park. So action we are having, are enjoying. So it is a predicate. Tom and Jerry, it is a subject, and then go to the same school, it is a predicate. There goes the teacher. So the teacher here they have given, you just see, look out the sentence very carefully. There goes the teacher. There goes means there is no meaning for you, so it is a predicate, and then the teacher is the subject for you. Ram is a football player. So without the Ram, definitely you can't imagine the sentence is fulfilled, isn't it? So Ram is a subject, and then he is a football player is a predicate. My friend and I also refers to a subject, won the match. So my friend and I refers to what? It is a subject. Won the match, it is a predicate. On the way, here I is a subject. Met an old man, it is a predicate. The batsman is a subject here. Hits the ball, hits is a action, isn't it? So hits the ball is a predicate. We refers to subject. We are going to the zoo, it is a predicate. Raju is a subject here. Has to rest, it is a predicate. The swans, it refers to here subject, are swimming in the lake. This is what? It is a predicate. I hope you have understood what is meant by homophones and what is meant by subject and predicate. Thank you.